Hey guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial. If you're wondering what the difference is between Threads data and Instagram data, so even though both apps are connected, they don't store the exact same information. So here's what each one includes. So let's go to Threads. So Threads data contains information that's specific to your Threads account. So this can include your Threads posts, replies, reposts, likes, profile information, followers and following, and your Threads account settings. While Instagram data, on the other hand, includes everything related to your Instagram account. So that may include your photos, videos, reels, stories, comments, direct messages, followers, profile details, account settings, and more. So, although you sign into Threads using your Instagram account, the content and activity you create on each platform are generally stored separately. So, if you're downloading your information or managing your privacy, choose Threads data if you only need your Threads activity. Then choose Instagram data if you want your Instagram content and account history. If you actively use both apps, you may want to download both to get a complete copy of your information. And that's the difference between Threads data and Instagram data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.